If I can give you any advice today, I would highly recommend that you check your auto insurance policy to make sure that you have adequate uninsurance and underinsurance coverage to protect you and your family due to injuries caused by an uninsured or underinsured driver. What happens if you or your family are injured in a car accident and the person that causes the accident does not have insurance, or they do not have enough bodily injury coverage on their insurance to cover your medical bills, lost wages, or injuries? We see this every day in our law practice. Your UM coverage on your auto policy protects you by stepping in as the other driver's insurance, covering costs such as medical bills, lost wages, injuries, and even damage to your car. Now, UIM insurance provides coverage when the other driver's bodily injury coverage is not enough to cover your injury claim. Many drivers only have the minimum required coverage, which may not be enough to cover your hospital bills alone. That's where UIM insurance comes in. It kicks in when the other driver's insurance is insufficient to cover your claim. I'll share an example with you. Our client was in an accident with a driver who only had the minimum $30,000 bodily injury coverage. Our client's injury claim, including medical bills and lost wages, totaled $70,000. However, since our client had the same coverage as the other driver, our client can only collect the $30,000 available. Now, if our client had UIM coverage with a higher limit, like $100,000, it would make a huge difference. In that case, the other driver would be considered underinsured, and we would file a claim against our client's UIM insurance for the additional $40,000. That's $70,000 minus the $30,000 paid by the other driver's insurance. If our client had a $100,000 UIM limit, their policy's coverage would combine with the at-fault drivers, providing up to $70,000 in additional coverage. In South Carolina, we have the advantage of stacking policies. Instead of just an extra $70,000 in coverage, our client could have up to $100,000 in coverage by stacking the two policies. And guess what? It really is only about an extra $100 to $300 per year to increase your policy limits to protect you and your family. It gets even better. Your UIM coverage protects you and your family members when you're not even in your car. It protects you when you're walking your dog, jogging, cycling, or even when driving or a passenger in someone else's car or a rental car. If you're ever in an accident and need guidance, give us a call using the number below or visit us at augerlaw.com.